This is Kenya, Maasai Mara, Naiboisho Nature Conservancy, October 2024. A leopard, her cubs, and an impala up a tree. Enjoy! Our guide Kisame suggested that she had already made her kill and that we return the following morning to see if her cubs would show themselves. Never doubt the value of a great guide. We returned the following morning to find this. She had dragged her kill up the tree and was eating, and then one by one, first one cub, and then the second. It was an amazing moment. He's on the tail. There he goes.
Next.
I hope you enjoyed it. Keep an eye out for more to come.